Alright everyone, Jay here. I'm in the backyard. I ordered something and it finally came this morning. And I'm going to open it for you. Let's do a little unboxing. I finally got a real sand scoop. Now I just gotta go get a handle for it. To be continued. Actually, let's open this up. There you go. Nice and sharp. Think that'll get the job done. Let's go get a handle. Hello everyone, Jay here. I'm at the beach. I have the TreasurePro. We're set to beach mode, sensitivity of 5. Let's get all the goodies. Alright, first target. 59.60. Penny. Let's get it. I think it's like 3 inches down. All this for a penny. No penny if it's this deep. Shake, shake, shake. And let's see what it is. Hey, sounds like a penny. I don't see it yet. It's a key. Into the pouch. Alright, I have a quarter signal. Let's get it. About 3 inches here. Alright, shake, shake, shake. One quarter into the pouch. Alright, I have a penny signal. Let's get it. Solid 58. About 3 inches here. Shake, shake, shake. Not a penny, not a penny, not a penny. Where's the penny? There's the penny. Into the pouch. Alright, I have a foil signal here. 5.6. Let's get it. About 3 inches here. Alright. Shake, shake, shake. Let's see what we got. Chewing gum foil. Into the pouch. Gotta have a small foil signal, some 5 to 7. Going with chewing gum. Doesn't sound like no ring. Cigarette butt. Oh, I see it. Can slaw. Into the pouch. Alright, I have a foil signal. 7 to 9. Let's get it. So about 3 inches right here. Shake, shake, shake. Here or see any foil. Oh, there it is. And of course it's juice top. Into the pouch. I have a, where to go, where to go. There it is. Nickel signal. 25. Let's get it. About 3 inches right there. All right, let's shake it out. Shake, shake, shake. I don't know if these bigger scoops are helping my back or not. I look like a maniac out here. Monster. It is a monster pull tab. There it is. Into the pouch. Alright, I have a penny signal. Let's get it. It's saying it's just under the surface. There it is. Alright, I have a jumpy signal. Let's get it. How to go from a two-way to a one-way. So about 2.5 inches there. All right, in the scoop. Rinse, rinse, rinse. And it is a quarter into the pouch. Shing! I have a jumpy signal. Goes from $50 to dime. Let's get it. It's like it overloaded itself or something. Do I even want it? Should be right there. 3 inches. Now it's miscellaneous. Don't fail me now. It's still in there. I'm guessing bottle cap. There it is, it's a quarter. Man, that was way off. Into the pouch. All over the place. I have a quarter signal. Let's get it. 79 to 83. About 4 inches right here. Shake, shake, shake. I don't hear it. Or do I? There it is. One more quarter into the pouch. Alright, I have a jumpy signal. It goes from penny to miscellaneous. Let's get it. About 3 inches right there. Oh, there it is. One more penny into the pouch. I have a nickel tap signal. Let's get it. About 3 inches right here. Nickel tab, pull tab. That was a stig. Stig into the pouch. Mango bomb. Hello everyone, welcome to the wrap up. As you can tell, it's going to take me a little time to get used to the long handle scoop. I'm used to the lightweight plastic one that I can wave over the coil. Let me know if the target's in the scoop. But getting used to it, working it out. Of course, I found the usual junk, some foil, Kinslaw, pull tab. I found a key, some kind of mango bomb. I think that's some kind of vape. I don't know. And I found $1.02. But if you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, my friends.